How to fix TikTok message not sending. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your TikTok when you are not able to send a message. So, if you try to go to your DMs on your TikTok and then try to send a message sometime, it will say an error has occurred or simply not sent. So in order to fix that, there are a few different solutions. The first one is check whether your app is up to date or not. To do that, simply go to your Play Store or App Store and then type in TikTok. Now as you can see, mine says open, which means my app is currently up to date, but if yours says update, it means that your app is not up to date and it needs to be updated. So try updating your app and now try sending a message, and it will work in some cases. But if your message is still not being sent, what you can do is go to your TikTok and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and there you'll see an option free up space. Tap on it and then clear your cache memory. Now once you've cleared your TikTok cache, go to your settings. Now scroll down and then go to apps. After that, go to TikTok. Now go to storage and cache and then clear both your cache memory as well as your storage. Now this will clear all of the data of your TikTok app, and now open TikTok and then relog into your account. And after doing all of this, your problem should surely be fixed. So that is how you fix TikTok message not sending problem. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.